Thoughts on that?
Yeah, I thought we were second best in probably every facet, really. In all truth, I think that the breakdown was damaging for us. They beat us at breakdown, especially when we got in behind them. I think there was a few opportunities in the first half where we got in behind, and they snifled our out. Same in the second half when we got close to their line. They really came after that, and we didn't react. We lost a lot of races in that breakdown, slowed our ball down. And I think that I spoke to the boys in there. I think like set piece, obviously we were under pressure. To repeat penalties from set piece, both maul and scrum. I think got us into our 22, and it was probably a bit easy for them to score the points in the end. And that's the difficult part for me. I think obviously it was a game that raised a lot of emotion, etc. But I didn't think that we were accurate enough in the fundamentals of the game. I think we were kicking game in the first half gave us opportunity at times because we got up and we contested a lot of ball and put them under pressure. What we did with that ball probably wasn't accurate. We didn't probably turn them again, and I think that the weather as it was greasy underfoot, probably put the ball through the foot, put the ball on the foot. But look, even the times we did get behind them and we looked threatening, I think they managed to disrupt breakdown and cost us field position. So there was opportunities in field position for us. Breakdown, we lost a few set pieces at key times as well, and a few decisions. Obviously, scrum with a 14 point game or 15 point game. A try there takes us 9 points, and I think that we weren't accurate, and that's bottom line. We weren't accurate in parts of our game we needed to be. They were better in those areas.
You lose like that in the local derby. What are the emotions?
Yeah, I'm bitterly disappointed, to be honest with you, because I think it was a game that we need to be competitive in that late in the game, and I think going in half time, I think they scored a soft try. I think Kieran Williams' try, he's a good runner. We know what's coming there. I think it was quite soft the way he got over there, in all honesty. And to go in, 15-9 at half time? The next score was big, and we didn't execute. And I think that the emotion then is that they won a frustration, because I think we're probably better than what we showed at times today. And I think that in a big game like that, we need to be more accurate.
Had 4 tough away games. You're well bottom at the moment. How do you get out of this?
No, we've been here before. We just need to work hard to get out of it. I think we have had 4 tough away games, and that's the nature of a competition. It's important. Our game, we go away again next week, so 3 away games on the road, not 4 away games now with Cast the week after on the road. So we need to consolidate, make sure that we get our recovery right and fly into next week. Cardiff's a place where we've played well over the last couple of years, but they're going to be coming after us, because I thought they were good on Friday in terms of their intensity.
I found one for me. You mentioned maybe Tate Plumtree. He didn't make it this weekend.
Yeah, he's not going to be fit for a while, I don't think. Yeah, they're likely to have surgery on his shoulder.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Will it be difficult to pick the players up from a confidence point of view? Because I imagine a defeat like this can knock you back.
Yeah, look, I think, potentially. Look, my big thing is that we have to understand that that areas we lost today is things we can do something about. We're in our control. Like speed to breakdown is something that's in our control. Set piece is something obviously that we can work on, and I don't think we didn't look after the ball well enough. So that's up to me as a coach and the other coaches to make sure that we recognise that. We held the ball last week for large phases against Leinster in that the middle part of the game, and if we'd have done that today, I think we'd have put Ospreys under a lot of pressure, because I think we were getting points and rewards in the first half, especially when we were getting territory and penalties. But I think there was a bit of stupid penalties from us as well, which gave them access to 22 and mauls, and they're a good side there. They're very experienced pack, so we knew that's where their strength was, and we didn't execute, or we weren't accurate in that area.
Obviously, you're a passionate Scarlet. What it's like as a fan when you lose. Obviously, there's a lot of fans that aren't happy with this current run. What do you say to them? Can you turn it around in a similar fashion to what you did last season?
Well, we have to turn it around, because I think, obviously it's there's a lot of rugby still to be played. We have we have been to some of the toughest places as well. I think today is obviously a tough one to take, and I think the Lions one obviously, but the other three venues you went to, away games, are always going to be tough from day one. That's the nature of the fixture list. But look, for me, I think it's important that we get back to basics and what we're trying to do. We need to get this group through this period. We have got a number of guys who will come back into the squad, will strengthen obviously, but it's tough going at the minute. But we, the hard work we have to put in now to make sure that we're accurate when we can be. Iawn, diolch. Ie, yn amlwg yn siomedig iawn. Teimlo bod ni wedi dod yma, chybod i edrych i cael buddigoliaeth o fod yn gystadleuol, a i fod yn onest, cyn o'n i'n ail i bopeth heddi, pelod, chybod, a mae'r ochr gorfforol y gêm, sy'n credu o'n i digon o dwyster falle ddim yn iawn yn y rucks ag ati, a mae hwnna'n siomedig achos o'n i'n gwybod ble oedd i peryg nhw a beth o'n nhw'n mynd i roi, a chybod, sgarmau symudol fawr dyn nhw, oedd i sgrym nhw'n bwerus heddi, o'n i dan pwys yn y sgrym, felly sa'n gwybod, mae lot o waith yn ni'n neud.
A siwr chi'n
Mae'n rhan i weithio'n galed nawr, chybod, mae gêm awr yn ni wrth nesaf lan yn Caerdydd. Nhw ar y ddar y funud, dwi'n credu bod nhw'n gystadleuol yn pob gêm, bod nhw wedi colli nifer y cwbl o gêm oedd, credu bod nhw wedi bod yn gystadleuol iawn. Ond mae rhaid ni mynd at y gêm un a neud siŵr bod lot o egni dyn ni a bod ni'n gorfforol a i fwyn yn ni bod ni ddim yn neud y camgymeriadau troi'r bêl gwsog yma.